And welcome to this EBISD help video. Today, we'll be going over how to set up your phone. You should have received an email from our phone system 3CX. Please note that there are several logins contained in this email, and the one we are focused on today is the voicemail PIN number. Please make sure you have this email pulled up for this walkthrough. To set up your phone, we must first log into the voicemail system. Press the voicemail key when prompted, enter the PIN code from the email. Once you have entered that and entered the prompt, please press the number 9 to access the voicemail options. From there, you can set the voicemail PIN, greeting, and self-identification. To reset your self-identification, press 5 and follow the prompts. When it instructs you, please just say your name. To set the voicemail greeting, press 8 and follow the prompts. To set your PIN number, press 7 and please follow those prompts. Once you have those options configured, your phone is now ready to use.